Packed my bags. This is how my car looks now. From Tuesday I will start to work with a company, so I will go to Nevada. So yeah, see you then. It's Saturday, I'm in UPS store and I took this. It's camera inside. Great views. In the future we'll be done with this guy. It's Saturday, but I'm not in my truck, I'm in a different truck and in a different company. I'll show you around. This truck has only 345,000 miles. It's a newer truck. As you can see, it's a black one. I'll show you later from outside. I have a fridge, no seat, but more space here. You know, last time in another truck the fridge was in here and here was a seat, of course. No second floor, so no guys to take with me, but I have APU, so I don't need to use the engine to get cooled or heated. Yeah, I think so. That's it from here. Right, so that's how it looks from here. Pretty much the same as in the last truck in previous company. So let's go outside. Right, so this is how it looks from outside. A black Freightliner has a sunroof, or I don't know, that's for vision, so less sun during hot days. The tanks are pretty much the same size. So this is APU, has longer wheelbase, so I will have a smoother ride. It's in a red color. Yeah, look at those wheels. There's a lot of meat. I guess that's it from outside. Oh, by the way, this guy has a stronger engine, so I should do the mountains pretty easy. We'll see. Right, so that's Freightliner for you. Good. Forgot to mention that's a brand new fridge. Now we'll unpack my camera. Oh, that's how it looks inside. Got creator comprehension kit, some paper. That's the most valuable thing, because without it my camera will be damaged. Of course, this is important. I have 2-year warranty. Opened expansion kit, that's how it looks. Very small parts. Have this, we'll see what's inside. Probably phone, air camera, transmitter, charger. So from this box I got cables. Third instructions. Now downloading DJI program, the app. Then you see this. Provided me with the case. So hopefully there will be no damage to my camera. Alright, now testing. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and today I'm going to Nevada, and yeah, I'm flipping now the camera, and as you can see by pressing this, it's 1916 miles, and yep, 1 day 3 hours to go. Yeah, it's 11 a.m. and I'm still waiting for my company to give me adapter so I can log to logbooks. Alright, so that's how it is. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff in here, but that is how it is now. I will start packing now. I have around 10 minutes, so good.